Did you have enough? One more. Okay, let's have some food then. Let's not make a mess already. There you go. You're not sure about birthing chicken. Birthing chicken will wait outside. Alright, good girl. Good girl. It's okay to eat. Keep eating if you're hungry. Alright? I think everyone is latched except number 4 is not latched. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to do something you're not gonna like, and I'm sorry. I know. Here, have some food. I don't want 4 to get cold. I'm sorry, Bear. Four's pretty strong despite the rough start. That was a big burp. Excuse you. Do you want some more snacks? It's okay to eat. It's alright. You're safe. You're safe and you're done, I hope. You never have to do it again. That would not have gone well in the wild. She's purring a little bit. Will you lay down? Here, lay down. I know, just lay down. You can go that way. You need to sleep. You need to rest. You did a good job. You did such a good job. I'm very proud of you. Everybody say a big thank you to Dr. S for staying up way past her bedtime. To help out. Could have easily lost the last 3. Good girl. Thank you for letting me intrude on your birth. She's purring. I don't know if you can hear that. Whew. I think 5 and 6 are both girls, right? 4, 5, and 6. 1, 4, 5, and 6. The only unknowns are the gingers. That's a lot of uteruses off the streets. Come on, Borlet, get in there. Thing, we were trying to find it. Sorry, Mama. 4 is quite strong, despite the bad sense of direction. I could help if Starling lays down. I can try to help get things. Do you want a little more? I can hold her up there, but this is not a very good position for that. So we'll have to see about, there's a little bit of fluid in the lungs still, I think, on a couple of them. But their color looks good. And so hopefully that will resolve itself. Here, do you want some more? You can keep eating. We're lucky that she let me intervene, because this, if she was like Neelix or Sable, it would have been not good. That's the situation I'm always afraid of with the ferals. Because like Sable, there's no way I could have gotten it, like if the placenta wasn't out yet, the kitten's still attached to mom, I wouldn't be able to help. And if she's too exhausted to get the sac off and get the kitten breathing, then I don't even know. I don't know. So that's what I'm always afraid of. But luckily Starling was a champ, and she let me in there. She let me be annoying. Otherwise I don't think they all would have made it. Would have been not good. Oh boy, that was intense. Phew. I mean, she definitely like gave me some whaps, and she put her teeth on me, but she didn't do it to hurt me, because she definitely could have drawn blood on many occasions, and you'll see there's no fresh blood on my hand. A little old blood from, like, you know, previous scratches. Mostly not from her though. She's quite gentle, which I appreciated. She does love her snacks. So there's still time if you want to name one of these little scamps in training. There's still time. You can go to tinykittens.com/names. It's a good way to support the rescue work that we do. And a good way to get to name one of these adorable kittens. It's like a win-win-win. Everybody wins. There, I build her up to the top. So there's still time for that. I'll close out the contest tomorrow, probably. She hasn't done any pushing for a while, so hopefully we're done. Do you not want me to take that away? I was just trying to get it out of your way so you can lay down. I would like you to lay down. I would really like for you to lay down. Get comfy. Get all these kittens plugged in. They're pretty vigorous, so hopefully they will all get latched on and get a good meal. And she's purring again. Maybe I will get a good meal. Whew, I'm relieved. I'm always so like anxious about all the things that can go wrong. I made a bit of a sketchy start there, but she did so great. She worked hard. Holy cow. The first few were really hard to get out. And the rest were a lot easier. Oh boy. Ooh. Now we'll all rest well tonight. Well, maybe tomorrow, maybe not tonight, tomorrow night maybe. Once everybody has had weight gains and is functioning properly. But she's clearly caring for them, which is good. It's always a concern with the ferals also. She's gonna lay down maybe. There you go, number 4 needs a little mama lovin'. Number 4 is quite noisy. I put it there so you'd have to shift and maybe lay down. Here, now you just look uncomfortable. Alright, Mama. Here, come and have some more snacks. She's not gonna move that far away. Oh my goodness. Thank you everybody for tuning in, and thanks to everyone who has already participated in the naming contest. That was quite a toot, one of your more impressive toots that I've heard. I feel like I have bits of placenta all over me. I do have some right here on my hand. Got a little crazy there, and then I ran out of dry towels, if you can imagine. I had a pretty big stack. Maybe I'll go get a tiny scale. Just me, don't worry. Oh, such a good mama. Will you let me steal kittens and weigh them? And that's pushing my luck. See if I can get this set up anywhere. It's up here, so let's see. I'm going to put this in there so that it's not cold. Oh, such a good mama. You should lay down. Good job. Hey, you're okay. Oh, it's someone squeaking. It's not me. Can I grab this and I'll just wait here real quick. Oh no, turn it off. Okay, that's number 4. 97 grams. There you go, Mama. Number 4 is 97 grams. It's quite respectable. Is everyone else? It's okay, Mama. Is everyone else plugged in? Oh no, here you go. This is number 6. Oh, shush. 103. And girl. Gray tuxie girl. Number 6. 103, did I say? The gray tuxie. Sorry, Mama. I know I'm being annoying, but look, I'm not going to unplug anybody. I think everyone else is plugged in. Oh, I already got some wappy paws going. Super snacks for you. Oh, this one's unplugged. This is number 5. 112 for number 5, black and white tuxie. Girl. Sorry, Mama. She's like, you make my baby scream. So 112 for number 5, also a girl. Glasses unplugged. She's like, stop it! Stop it, I know what you're doing. Yes, I know, Mama. I steal them, but I give them back too. I'm gonna steal this one. This is number 2. 122. Boy. Look, you have, let's just put them to blood. You're very handsome. I'm putting them on that side for you. 122 boy, lighter color. He's a Buffy, Tiger Buffy ginger. I know. Just let me move this one over, and then you can lay down. Okay. Oh, and I'll weigh while I have her. This is number 1. 120. Number 1. Girl. Good girl, you laid down. Good girl. Here's, I'm going to move this out of your pillow area. Good girl, you laid down. Thank you. That's so much more comfortable. Can I just see what's back there? Hope there's nothing back there. That's just your tail. Phew, I saw something and started to worry. You're a good mama. I'm sorry that it's been so hard. I'm just gonna steal one more. Oh, this one's also Tiger Buffy. 120. If you're a girl, it'll make things easy. This is tough. I'm gonna go with boy. I'm gonna go with boy. Oh, you're so cute. There we go. I know. She says, stop it. Here, look. This will make, that will be so much nicer for you. At least your head has a clean place to, a clean, dry place to go. And you did get lots of food and water. So let me put this closer to you. What did I say? 120? Male 120. Okay, so the gingers are boys and everyone else is a girl. They're all good weights. She's doing amazingly well. She's doing so great. I'm very proud of her. So hopefully we can get a number 4 on there. Will she let me micromanage? Well, 4 looks like she's getting in there. Oh, you're so beautiful. You did such a good job. I'm so proud of you. Oh, that's good. So now, so it's important to get the weights because I need to make sure that they're growing. Oh, look at that, your beautiful new family. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Such a good mommy. So the weights are super important because I'll weigh them again tomorrow and then I'll know like if number 4 needs to be supplemented or if anyone is struggling. Oh my gosh, look how cute number 6 is right now. Let's get a photo because it's just so cute. Oh, come on, phone. Phone, don't be stupid. Thank you. Can't see what I'm taking a picture of. So cute. You're so sweet, I can't even stand it. Oh, 4. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Get in there, 4. She's a little scrapper. She's rowdy. like super much access right now. See if I can get her to rotate at all. Good girl. I know you're exhausted. And get a little feel in there. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Get in there. Get in there. I know I made them squeak. It's only because they're hungry. Oh, 4. You're directionally challenged. Here, get in there. Under there. There's one right there. Such a good mommy. Okay, I'm gonna leave you to bond with your new little family and trust that everything's gonna work out. And if not, in the morning we'll give a little help. But for now, you deserve a nice rest with your new family, and I'm very proud of you. You never have to do that again. That's the last time. Okay, you did a great job. Do you want one last snack? No, she's ready for rest. Alright, I'm gonna leave your snack over here. Not too far away. Time for bonding. Let me just micromanage your nest a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. You know how I roll. Put that over there. You've got your water right outside, your litter box, everything you need. Okay. Just gonna tuck that a little bit more. No, don't go anywhere. She stopped here. Oh, I'm just so happy that they're safe and that we're done. Alright, this side has a low heating pad on it. If you need it, I don't think you will. Alright, I'll be watching. Good job. I'm going to do a little cleanup out here, but I'm going to close your doors. Okay, good job. Ring the bell if you need anything. Okay, so we've got extra food, water, laundry. This needs to be cleaned. This is laundry. Garbage. Oh, and now I get to have my dinner. I'm very excited about that. very excited. Food and water is right here. This is your clean blanket for whenever that happens. And ready. Good job, buddy. Good job. Look at her, she's exhausted. Here's where she will end up. Alright, little mama. I'm gonna leave you. But I will be watching, and if you need anything, I'll be back. I will post the beginning part, the live stream reset. In fact, I'll do a reset right now, and I'll post both of them. So stand by. I'll be right back, and the video will be posted. And I'll post the first two. Oops. And let me publish this. There we go. Post immediately. I should have that in. Okay, everybody. Good night, Miss Darling. Good job. I'm very proud of you.